We will discuss one more video that is called osmotic pressure. It is denoted by the symbol is pi. What is osmotic pressure, sir? Already you know what is osmosis. Okay, this is a container. This is a semi-permeable membrane, means SPM, semi-permeable membrane. Okay, this is a less concentration solution. This is more concentration solution. Okay, the flow of solvent molecule from pure solvent or from solution of lower concentration into higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane. Means these molecules are always moving towards from lesser concentration to higher. This is the less concentration of the lower concentration of the solution. Here higher concentration of the solution. What happened? The solvent molecule, the molecules moves from always lower concentration into higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane from like this. The level of the lower concentration is decreases. The level of the higher concentration of the solution is increases. You can observe here. This is H rho L. Means increasing the level of high concentration of the solution. Here you can observe certain pressure is developed on the higher concentration of the solution. That pressure is called that forces or a pressure is called hydrostatic force. Hydrostatic pressure or hydrostatic force. Okay, the hydrostatic pressure developed on the higher concentration of the solution to just stop the flow of molecule from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. The excess pressure, the pressure inside, the pressure is developed on the excess pressure, the hydrostatic pressure is developed on the solution side, higher concentration solution side, to just prevent, to just stop the flow of molecule from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. Once again repeat, the osmotic pressure of the solution at a particular temperature may be defined as the excess hydrostatic pressure that builds up when the solution is separated from the solvent by semi-permeable membrane, or the excess pressure must be applied to a solution in order to stop the flow of solvent into a solution through a semi-permeable membrane. It is also called osmotic pressure. One more definition: the excess pressure which must be applied to a given solution in order to increase the vapor pressure until it becomes equal to the solution side. Means simply, the pressure is developed on the solution higher concentration solution side to just stop the flow of molecule from lower concentration into higher concentration through semi-permeable. Okay, this flow of molecules will stop when at a particular time or particular temperature the pressure is increased. The excess hydrostatic pressure developed on the build up on the solution higher concentration solution side to flow of solvent molecule from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. Okay, the excess pressure developed. What is the definition here? The excess pressure or hydrostatic pressure. The excess hydrostatic pressure builds up at a given temperature, the solution was separated from when the solution is separated from solvent, from the solvent by semi permeable membrane. SPM means semi permeable membrane. Okay, this is the definition of osmotic pressure. Okay, pi is equal to H rho L. Okay, some books pi is equal to HDL also, where H is a height of the column, are increasing the level of the solution tube. Rho is the density of the column, where H is a height of the column, or if simply increasing the level of the solution. Rho or D is equal to density of the solution. This is the height of the column, height of the level. L is a, not L here, this is G. G means acceleration due to gravity. So how to determine in this formula? Here you can observe that osmotic pressure is equal to the hydrostatic pressure. Simply osmotic pressure is equal to the hydrostatic pressure. That means here phi is equal to H rho G. This is height of the column, or increasing the level of the solution, where rho is the density of the solution, G is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, osmotic pressure is a colligative property. It is depend upon number of solute molecules, and not on their identity. For diluted solutions, it has been found experimentally osmotic pressure is directly proportional to the molarity. Molarity means simply M. Okay, the mathematical expression, okay, we will discuss another video. What is the mathematical expression of osmotic pressure? Thank you. This is the definition. Thank you very much.